Lottie's cooked popcorn for the first time. Told her too much was in there, she told me to shut up. So, got that, and check out in here as well. Right, good morning. I've literally just woken up and I've just got up and I've only just finished cleaning my teeth, and Lottie has already prepared all of this. This is our Boxing Day spread, and she's also cooked some bubble and squeak, and she's got these on the go. And all I've done, and the whole time she's done that, is wake up and make like 6 toothpicks for cocktail sausages.
It's like the classic guy's job out of everything.
How are you feeling this Boxing Day?
Yeah, I feel good. I'm excited for our food because we've bought like treats and stuff. I can't wait for the avocado dip, and then I can't wait to speak to our family later as well, so I think it'll be a nice day.
Lottie's got a Boxing Day tradition where she does a quiz with her family, and so we've got that later, and I'm going to try play Monopoly with my family. So that's going to be, I don't know how that's going to work over Skype, but hopefully it'll be okay. It's funny, Lottie's woken up every day like, oh, look at the weather outside, it's like raining and drizzling. It's been the same every day, and she's trying to say it's Christmas weather, but it just always looks the same. So we got all our lights on. Lottie's put a balloon up that my mum got us.
Oh, I chucked some random stuff in the tree because we put the crackers in there. I thought, oh, I'll put some paper chains in there and just kind of make it look all like Christmas is thrown up on it. I think it looks cool, doesn't it?
Yeah, it's good. So there's a traditional Boxing Day meal. I don't know if it's just English or just my family. You've never had it before, have you?
I think it's like an old-fashioned thing.
Basically, what you're meant to do is after Christmas you get all the vegetables and all the like carrot you got left over, and you've got like a bit of a cauliflower, two Brussels sprouts, anything. Just get it all out, get it all together, potato, everything. Mash it all up and make it into patties like this. So you mash it all up into a saucepan, add a bit of salt and pepper, and then you fry it off into like a burger, and then you can just eat it on a plate. And you normally have it with pickled egg, like no, you normally have it with, what are those onions called?
Pickled onions.
Pickled onions, some pickle, and just, what else? Ketchup.
Well, like cold meat.
Yeah, and you eat it with this kind of stuff. This is fake meat. We got some nice bread, got a little salad going on, we've got some peanuts, gingerbread house, which we're eating today, some Pringles, an avocado dip, some vegetable fruit things, and yeah, got everything. So Lottie's put on a proper spread for us. Cinderella, Cinderella. Lottie's made so much food, I'm having to eat cereal out of a cup because we've got no plates or bowls left. Here's Lottie's first ever bubble squeak. She's improved. She's making them more fried. It's hard. You're meant to use flour to make them stick, but we haven't got any, so it looks so tasty.
I think it would just taste like nice mashed potato with cabbage.
Yeah. The spread finished. So talk us through everything we got.
Okay. Oh, is that you in the mirror?
Yeah.
So we've got some bread and butter, some vegetarian sorry. some vegetarian sausages, some vegetarian chicken nuggets, some salad, bubble and squeak, avocado dip, peanuts, olives, tomato, peppers, carrots, and Pringles, and ketchup and biscuits.
And we've got more here.
Yeah, there's a big,
Nom 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 nom.
big one there.
Open the door to the gingerbread house.
Open the door?
Yeah.
How?
Well, it's just, I don't know, push it open. Like, push the door open. I heard a knocking.
There's a present.
Is there?
Yeah.
Oh, is there a
Put
present?
that in there.
Is there a present in there?
You put that in there. Oh my god, it's a little Stitch. Oh my gosh, I love it. Oh, that's so cool.
When we were in Chiang Mai with Hannah, you saw these and you were like, and you went, oh, and you went, I want to buy everything, and you were like, oh my god, a Stitch. And you said, and I pulled a face like you shouldn't be buying stuff, and you said, you were like, oh, I shouldn't be spending money, and you walked off, and I bought it really quickly. Like it?
I love it. It's so cute. It kind of looks like he's wearing headphones.
He was in the gingerbread house. That's what that knocking was.
Where's my phone? I want to take a photo.
I've been saying for ages, can you hear her knocking? And she's like, you're scaring me, what are you on about? It's like, can you hear her knocking? And I hid it behind the door of the gingerbread house. So she pushed the door down and she got a toy. A gift, a present, not a toy. Lottie got out her scrapbook that I bought her. Oh my god, that's just like so balanced. And she's been writing in there and she's been putting stickers on. She's watching vlogs again now, she's obsessed. I had this puzzle, right? And it's funny because my family had the same one. And you kind of like, you take it apart and then you stick it together. But they had to cheat to do theirs. I didn't. We haven't really got much planned for the rest of the day. I'm going to play Monopoly with my family. So they're going to move my piece for me, and I've got dice here. So I'm going to roll dice, and then we're going to play for an hour and a half, and whoever's got the most money wins. So it doesn't drag on for hours. But we're going to play it over a laggy Skype connection. So I don't know how that's going to be. Hopefully it'll be okay. Hello. Yeah, we're feeling really good. We've just been proper chilled out. I'm not sure what these videos are going to turn out like, because we're just doing nothing. But I didn't want to not vlog Christmas, but these videos will come out after Christmas, obviously, because I'm not editing on Christmas. What's the time now?
What, at home?
Here.
6:30.
So it's 6:30, and this is what we've done to the food. We've got one thing of the bubble and squeak left, and just some few bits.
The gingerbread house is like full on demolished.
The gingerbread house is gone. It's very tasty.
Can I have a bit? Just a small bit. Yeah, it's fine. It's really sugary, but I love it.
It's so tasty. It's been like really weird weather today. Like it never rains in Bangkok in December. It's their winter, but it's not wet season, it's cold season. And for anyone that's been to Asia, they know when it rains, it really rains. Just bam, down, good 10 minutes, and then gone, or an hour or whatever, but it just rains and then it's gone. You get the odd occasion where it might not stop raining for a week, but it's like literally the heaviest rain you've ever seen and stops. But today, it's like England. It's just been raining a little bit and it's just been, yeah, it's just been like drizzly all day, but it's like, it's generally cold. We've got the aircon in the room, but for some reason it's colder out here. Check it out. So busy. This is Boxing Day. Look at all the traffic, bumper to bumper. It's weird, if you're in England right now and you went out on the road, you would just see a few cars, but here it is just, there must have been an accident actually, because I've never seen the traffic that bad. Just started playing Monopoly with the family. Say hello.
Hello!
Who's winning?
Me! Me!
Hold on. Whose go is it?
Mine.
No, it's Hannah's because I've just done that.
Yeah, Hannah's.
Bye bye, thank you very much. Thank you.